In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and get started with the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll be ready to open the app and begin your first conversation without any confusion. All you need is your iPhone, a reliable internet connection, and access to the email account you want to use. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. If you just downloaded it from the App Store, you'll find it on your home screen or in your app library. Make sure your connection is stable, since account creation works best with steady Wi-Fi or cellular data. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up. This tells the app you're creating a new account. If you already have an account from the web or another device, you could use Login, but for this walkthrough, we'll stay on the new account flow. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can enter your email and create a password, or you can tap Continue with Apple or Continue with Google. Using Apple or Google is quick and lets you sign in with an existing account. If you prefer the email option, pick an email you can access right now and create a strong password that you'll remember. Keep your mail app nearby because you may need it for verification. After you've entered your details or chosen Apple or Google, tap Sign Up or Continue to move forward. The button label may vary slightly depending on the method, but it's doing the same thing, creating your account and linking it to your chosen login option. Stay in the app and give it a moment to process. If you're prompted to verify your email, open your inbox and look for the message sent to you. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. Tap the verification link in that email to confirm your address. If you used Apple or Google, you might not see this step, but if you do, completing it ensures your account is secure and fully activated. Then return to the app. It should recognize the verification and pick up where you left off. When the app confirms everything is set, tap Done to finish. You'll land on the main chat screen, ready to start typing your first message. From here, you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or get help with everyday tasks. That's all it takes. To recap, you opened the app, tapped Sign Up, chose email or Apple or Google, confirmed your details, verified your email if asked, and tapped Done to start using the app. Thanks for following along and enjoy your experience with ChatGPT on iPhone.